Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two amazing drones to compare: Drone and DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, the camera is a crucial factor. The drone comes with a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to capture the perfect shot. Whether you want to take breathtaking photos or shoot impressive videos, this drone has got you covered. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus takes it up a notch with its 4K 60fps HDR camera. It allows you to unleash stunning vertical videos with impressive clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. With this drone, you can capture high-quality footage straight out of the camera without the need for post-cutting. Nobody likes their drone's flight time to be cut short. The drone comes with two rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. While you can swap and charge the batteries in rotation to extend the fun time, keep in mind that more flips and faster speeds will reduce the flight time per battery. In comparison, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus offers extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. You can say goodbye to battery anxiety and explore vast landscapes without any interruptions. With three 45-minute flight time batteries included, this drone allows you to fly freely and capture amazing footage. The flight features of a drone can greatly enhance your flying experience. The drone comes with features such as altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, speed adjustment, and even voice control. These features make it easy and fun for beginners or novices to operate the drone. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus offers omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Additionally, this drone allows you to customize intelligent tracking with ease, achieving complex and seamless operation effects. And there you have it. In the battle of drone versus DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus emerges as the winner in terms of camera quality, battery life, and flight features. However, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget before making a final decision. Thank you for watching this video on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you would like to see compared next. Until next time, happy shopping.